All right, guys, listen up. If you're someone who dreams of building a gas portfolio, passing your ACS, and becoming a top-tier gas engineer in no time, well, I've got some hard truths for you. And I'm saying this because I care about your success. Your dream? It's not the reality you think it is. It's not going to go the way you imagine. Now, you're probably thinking, why would you say that? Why would you crush my dream? But hold on, because I'm about to flip the script for you. I'm going to show you what's really going on here. See, your dream is based on what's called instant gratification. Instant gratification is when you think you'll find a training center, complete your coursework, and get a mentor. Do your required number of jobs, pass your ACS exam, and boom, you're gas safe registered. That's the plan, right? But here's the thing. That's the mainstream way of thinking. That's what everyone else is doing. You're setting yourself up to hit a wall, a big, hard wall of reality. So what I'm about to share with you is going to challenge your thinking. It's going to go against what you've been told. But trust me, this is how you truly win. Let me introduce you to a different path, gas portfolio mastery. This is not the same old gas portfolio journey everyone else is on. This is a system designed to put you light years ahead of the competition. It's not about rushing to the finish line. It's about mastering the process. It's about building a foundation so strong that when you pass your ACS exam, you're not just another gas engineer. You're the gas engineer everyone wants to hire or work with. Now, imagine this. Everyone else is doing the same thing, rushing through their gas portfolio, passing their ACS, and then realizing they're just one of many. But not you. Imagine passing your ACS and being miles ahead of everyone else in your class, in your training group, and even in your field. And being so knowledgeable and so confident that you can land any job you want or start a successful business right out of the gate. That's what gas portfolio mastery is all about. So how do you get there? It's all about embracing delayed gratification. Instead of rushing through the process, you're going to take a step back and invest a little extra time up front. That's right, you're going to delay your gas portfolio journey and your ACS exam by just 2 to 3 months. But here's the kicker. That small delay will put you 3, maybe even 4 years ahead of everyone else in the long run. Think about that for a second. Here's how it works. Gas portfolio mastery is broken down into 3 levels. Level 1 is boiler repair accelerated training. You'll dive deep into understanding gas and electric boilers, heating systems, and the different types of boilers and how they're connected. You'll build a rock-solid foundation of knowledge that most engineers don't even touch. Level 2 is all about heating systems, hot water, and controls. You'll learn the ins and outs of heating systems, hot water systems, and the controls that make them work. This is the stuff that separates the amateurs from the pros. By the time you're done with this level, you'll have a skill set that puts you way ahead of the pack. Finally, level 3 is your gas portfolio building. This is where you'll do the hands-on work, complete your required jobs, and prepare for your ACS exam. But here's the difference. When you get to this stage, you'll already have the advanced knowledge and skills from the first 2 levels. That means when you pass your ACS, you won't just be another engineer. You'll be a masterful engineer with a massive advantage over your competition. Now let's talk about the payoff. Delaying your gratification by just 2 to 3 months will give you a head start of 3 to 4 years. You'll be the one getting the jobs you want, earning the money you want, and leaving everyone else in the dust. That's the power of gas portfolio mastery. So let me ask you, is it worth it? Is it worth investing a little extra time now to achieve long-term success and mastery? To me, it's a no-brainer. And if you're serious about your future, I know you'll see it the same way. If this resonates with you, here's what you need to do. Go to our website, www.gasportfolio.net. Read about the 3 levels of gas portfolio mastery. See for yourself how this system can transform your career and your life. This isn't for the people who want to take shortcuts. This is for the people who are ready to put in the work, delay gratification, and achieve something extraordinary. The ones who can't wait, who chase instant gratification, they'll end up with less. But you have the chance to be different, to be better, to be the best. So take the first step. Visit www.gasportfolio.net and start your journey to becoming a masterful engineer. So, the future is yours. So go and claim it.